Hello and welcome back to Humans in Society. This video focuses on the topic social relations under the subject Trends, Networks, and Critical Thinking in the 21st Century. In the concept of social network, people who have interactions with each other are called actors. An actor is a social unit who plays a role in society. Relationship represents the multiple ties or links between two or more people. A group of actors can have different forms of relationships. Connection refers to the tie that binds actors to each other. A dyad is a connection of two people. A triad is a connection of three people. And a network is a connection of many people. Networks are connections that determine the relations between actors, found in a larger group. Relation network, or one-mode network, is characterized by rules that determine the presence, direction, and extent of a relationship. Examples of this network include the neighborhood, friendship, alliance, or trade networks. An affiliation network refers to rules that determine an affiliation with an event, organization, or group. Examples of this type of network are membership to a professional organization and the distribution of a provincial population based on their religion. The brain is a biological neural network. A neural network is a connection of neurons, or nerves, that transmit information to other nerves, muscles, or organs. A social network is a group of people that are connected by one or more types of relations that are formed by social connections. Society itself is formed by multiple social networks. Social relations can be considered artificial neural networks. This is because it imitates the process of exchanging information that happens within the brain. Social relationships are formal or informal connections an actor has made with other people within the social network. Social relationships can affect an individual's way of thinking because of the interactions and adjustment the person does during these dealings with others. People tend to form relationships with others who share the same ideas and values or try to convince others to agree with them. Social network analysis was developed by social scientists based on the ideas of George Simmel and Emil Durkheim. It rests on the assumption that social life is made up of relationships and patterns formed by these relations. It is important to study how these patterns are formed to understand how information is constructed and disseminated within a community. Interpreting these interactions will explain how people learn from one another and how they are grouped or divided by issues. A social map is a visual representation of the social network. It is used to determine the connections of certain groups and the roles each individual play within these groups. It is also used to represent the influence of institutions and social structures, and reveals the power structures within the community. A social map is a powerful marketing tool because it shows patterns of behavior in decision making and how to influence them. Let us end with this quote from Helen Keller. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. The ideas discussed in this video are based on the content standards of the Department of Education. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.